guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be looking at the Wooask Translator Earbuds. This allows you to go ahead and translate up to 71 different languages with over 56 different accents. Not only that, it even has an offline mode allowing you to go ahead and translate up to 9 languages without having to use your data. Now that's coming out in a few months, but it's actually a very cool idea. Now the unique thing about this particular kit is the fact that it is a 3-in-1 set, allowing you to go ahead and listen to music as well as talk on your phone and even translate with a simple click of a button. The fact that you can go ahead and have different translation modes that will go ahead and translate in a matter of a second. So you can go ahead and share one of your earbuds with somebody else, and then simply by just tapping it, speaking your language will automatically translate so the other person can hear it on the spot. Now they also have a non-touch mode where you can go ahead and share just using your phone, where the person will talk into the microphone of your phone and you'll hear the translation as well. So it does give you a good amount of options in terms of how you go ahead and translate. So in this episode here, we'll be unboxing it, seeing what it comes with, as well as trying it out. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this here is our box. It does kind of showcase it in a almost like etch or a blueprint kind of design. Not too much about it other than that. So we have our translation earbuds in this nice looking case. Here we have our user manual. And then lastly, we have our accessory pouch. So you do get your translator earbuds with a nice looking case and a status LED indicator showcasing how much battery life is left. We do get some extra earplugs, so these here will allow you to go ahead and share with other people or go ahead and find the correct fitment for you based on your ear size. You do get a charging cable which will plug into the bottom of the case. And then lastly, we get ourselves a user manual to go ahead and help set it up. Kind of has like a little snap case right there, so that's kind of nice. And then as you kind of take it out, surprisingly, these things are really tiny. So I thought they'd be a lot bulkier, especially for the amount of technology that's built into them. So there is a blue LED indicator on the side. So let's go ahead and put these in and see how they fit. So they do have good noise cancellation. I can barely hear myself speak, which is crazy to think. And yeah, so they do fit very snug, and you can tell based on the appearance that they have a very flattering look, and they're not oversizedly bulky. So let's go ahead and connect to it next and see how this works. I'm currently using the iPhone here. I'm going to open up the app. This will go into a Bluetooth connection mode. So in order to connect it via Bluetooth, you have to go ahead and take it out of the case, place them down, and it should automatically just kind of link to itself for that reason. Alright, so we're all set and ready to go. So this here is our app. Now there's 2 different modes. If you go to click on the top right here, you can see the different settings. So you have a touch mode and you have a speaker mode. They actually vary in difference. For instance, the speaker mode allows you to go ahead and communicate with the speaker of your phone, where you go ahead and wear your headpieces. So if I talk, it'll communicate directly through this, and then you can hear the translated version through the speaker. Hence the speaker mode. Now the touch mode works a little bit differently. What you do is you go ahead and share one of your earpieces. So one person has a right one and the other person has a left one. And you can go ahead and default the language based off of that. So when the right person touches the right one, I can go ahead and speak in English, and the left one can go ahead and hear in their language that they prefer. So let's go ahead and try this out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put these on just like this. And now what I can do is I can go ahead and speak. Now right now it's not translating what I'm saying, but what I do is simply touch it like this. Hi, how's it going today? Do you know where the coffee shop is?
Hola, ¿cómo te va hoy? ¿Sabes dónde está la cafetería?
That is so cool. So it'll literally translate just like that. And as I'm speaking right now, it's not going to go ahead and translate at all. I literally have to tap it, and I can go ahead and speak a long sentence or sentences, and it'll go ahead and translate that directly to the person. Now, the opposite person can go ahead and tap their side like this. Hola, ¿cómo está, señor?
Hello, how are you, sir?
And it actually translated in my earpieces. They're saying, hello, how are you, sir? So he literally did it simultaneously within a matter of a second. So you can go ahead and have a conversation very freely. So that's actually a very unique aspect. Now, the other aspect is the touch mode. So this is really interesting. So if I go ahead and click on touch mode here, so I can go ahead and put the right one in my ear here, and then the left one will go into someone else's ear. Now the left one is currently English, while the right one is Espanol. So I can go ahead and default my personal language so by simply clicking on this icon here, and you can see all the different dialects as well as different languages. So there is a good amount of variety as you scroll throughout. kind of give you an idea exactly what you can do. So you can go ahead and use this just about anywhere. So it overall is a very easy concept. So what I can do is change mine into, let's just say, Urdu, and we'll do Pakistan, and the left one will be English. Okay, so if I click this here, हाँ जी आप कैसे हैं?
Yes, how are you?
And it'll translate into the other earpiece. So that's actually cool, but it also shows you exactly the whole conversation here on the screen. So that's nice. So another thing about this is that you can go ahead and use it for regular headphones, so you can listen to music, you can make phone calls, and do a variety of different tasks. And it's all built into this one particular kit. So it's actually a great device for traveling. I actually like it a lot. I think they actually did a great job. Let's go ahead and try listening to some music and see how the sound quality is. Alright, so that actually works out pretty cool. And yeah, that is pretty much the main gist of it. Overall, a very unique aspect, definitely really cool and very comfortable and very easy to use. I would highly recommend it, especially if you are traveling. It's definitely a great piece overall. Now, with that said, if you had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.